Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable light mode on the Messenger app for PC. Whether you prefer the classic look or just want to brighten up your chat experience, switching back to light mode is easy. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to bring up a menu with various options. After clicking on your profile picture, a list of options will appear. Now, look for the one labeled Preferences. This section is where you can customize your Messenger experience. Inside Preferences, you'll find several settings. Look for the Dark Mode option, which allows you to toggle between light and dark themes. To enable light mode, simply check the option that says Off under Dark Mode. As soon as you do this, you'll notice a change in your app's appearance, returning to the familiar bright interface. And that's it. You've successfully enabled light mode on your Messenger app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Enjoy your refreshed chatting experience.